Hello friends, how are you? We are studying in functions Python. So our next function is uniform. What is doing uniform actually? Uh, this method returns random floating number in between two numbers. Okay friends, तो ये मेथड करता क्या है? दिस मेथड इज डूइंग अ रिटर्न अ रैंडम फ्लोटिंग नंबर बिटवीन टू numbers. Now you can see that syntax is very simple. You just write down uniform RAND or random dot uniform and x comma y, two argument this is having. So next I'll just show you the example of this. First one, import random. Second one, print command. We can use just uniform lottery number. So lottery number, I think 1 to 100 is a lottery number. So we just random dot uniform 1 comma 100. So this is the random numbers. So what should I do? Just execute. So you can see that a lottery number is 99.10. Okay, so this is the random number. How can we generate? You can see that another function is choice. Choice is the next function method, and this method is used for making a random selection from a sequence like a list. यानी कि एक लिस्ट या टपल की फॉर्म में ये आपको डेटा को शो करेगा. ठीक है, और स्ट्रिंग, और क्या हो सकता है? स्ट्रिंग भी हो सकता है. तो दिस इज द मेथड. हाउ कैन वी यूज? सिंपल, import random, then suppose cho choice हमने एक वेरिएबल ले लिया, एंड random डॉट चॉइस. अब चॉइस जब लेना है तो क्या करेंगे हम? चॉइस के साथ ब्रैकेट के अंदर स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लेंगे और चॉइस डिजाइन करेंगे. 1 अगर चॉइस है तो क्या हो कि सपोज ईस्ट हो जाए. 1 अगर चॉइस है तो क्या हो जाए? ईस्ट हो जाए. एक मिनट, लेट मी ब्रैकेट. ओके, नाउ कोमा. इफ चॉइस 2 हो तो क्या हो जाए? वेस्ट हो जाए. नाउ कोमा, इफ चॉइस 3 हो तो क्या हो जाए? नॉर्थ हो जाए. ओके, वेट. एंड चॉइस अगर 4 हो तो क्या हो जाए? साउथ हो जाए. तो दीज आर द 4 choices we are having. Now we just try to print command. My choice is my choice is, क्या है मेरी choice? CHO, and see the output. My choice is 1:. By default my choice is 1. So this is a randomly selected. When we choose another one, choice will be changed. Randomly choice will be changed. Now next function is a method SHUFFLE, shuffle. Shuffle क्या करता है? This method used to shuffle or swap the contents of a list. ओके, तो ये करता क्या है? दिस मेथड यूज टू शफल और स्वैप द कंटेंट ऑफ अ लिस्ट. हाउ कैन वी यूज? इट्स सिंपल. We'll have to make a program, then see the stuff. We are doing the things that suppose I want to use this program. Okay, and I will just choose. Okay, import random. Now choice की जगह मैं लिख देता हूँ, चलो choice रहता. random डॉट यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? shuffle. SHUFFLE, शफल. अब शफल जब होगा तो छोटा सा चेंजेस होगा कि 1 हट जाएगा. नाउ 2 मूविंग, नाउ 3 इज रिमूविंग, एंड नाउ 4 इज रिमूविंग. वी आर हैविंग 4 choices. ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन प्रिंट आवर कमांड. सो आवर चॉइस इज, तो अब मुझे क्या करना है? डायरेक्ट प्रिंट आउट लेना है. कैसे लेना है? सिंपल मेथड में. जस्ट रैंडम डॉट शफल एंड चॉइस विल बी देयर. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर प्रोग्राम एंड विल हैव टू execute the things. So enter error. SHUFFLE, shuffle. What is the error? String object doesn't support item assignment. Assignment we are having choice. Okay, so we cannot use choice. Wait. Friends, first we'll have to change our program. Okay, मैंने वही वाला टाइप कर दिया, just little bit effect. Our choice is that, and we can use that type of keywords, then we can use the executes. So invalid syntax, one where this bracket is not there, and then execute. You can see the output, none. So this is the choice. Okay, so if we use print command on this mode, that will be not possible. So what should I do? We do the things. Just remove the print command and choice random dot shuffle our choice. Now print will you have to use, and our reshuffled data या 24 we can write down, comma. What is our reshuffled things? Choice. So execute. Reshuffle data: 2 west, 4 south, 3 north, and 1 forest. I mistake. Okay, I just changed the program of this. No issue. Choice. Okay. Control X and Control. Okay. V. So you can see that our reshuffle data is north, south, and west. Automatically reshuffle the data. Got it? Now our next topic is user defined functions. User defined functions. So what is this? A function is a perform a function, a function is a set of statement that perform a specific task. सिंपल. क्या होता है कि एक इंफॉर्मेशन जो टास्क करे अकॉर्डिंग टू यूजर्स, वो क्या कहलाता है? यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शंस. अब हाउ टू डिफाइन द फंक्शंस इन पाइथन थ्रू द यूजर्स? तो इट इज वेरी सिंपल. हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन? जस्ट आई शो यू अ practical representation, example of user defined functions. Simple. def func1 function 1. Now print I am teaching functions in Python. Got it? Now this is the my function. So I have to execute this function of this manner and enter. You can see that the output will be there. Got it? So you understand how can we design the user defined functions? Now our next topic is how function returns a value, यानी कि फंक्शन कैसे वैल्यू रिटर्न करता है. सो जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स कि यूजर डिफाइंड फंक्शंस वेयर नो वैल्यू वाज रिटर्न टू द कॉलिंग फंक्शन और पाइथन इंटरप्रेटर. सो रिटर्न कमांड इज पाइथन स्पेसिफाई दैट द वैल्यू टू बी रिटर्न बैक टू द कॉलिंग फंक्शंस. So main is the return command is the return command in Python specify what value is to be returned. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. तो Python compiler interpreter should be decided कि what value should be returned back to the calling functions. This is the user defined function definitions. Now how can we define return value? Simple. Suppose we are making a function define keyword and function name is area, area of rectangle. Okay, so we are having two variable, length and breadth, and semicolon is there. Now area is equals to length into breadth. Now return area. This is the function we can utilize. Now how can we call? Now area. So our function name is area, area of rectangle, value length is a 20 and breadth is a 30. Now execute the functions and you can see the output. So this is the return value specify. Got it? Now we make some special program and return function through the factorial number. It's very easy and understand to learn the program and logic, develop the logic. So we are making a function for calculating factorial of a number using return comma keyword, return keyword. So first def FSCT, fact and return type of a parameter is number, then press enter. Automatic result is equals to suppose 1, then while loop we can start num double equal num greater than equal to 1, then result is equals to result into number, then number is equals to number minus 1. That means a return keyword is here, return result. Now we use for loop for I in range of 1 to 7. Okay, and now print command is here, and we use the fact is of I comma fact of I. Now execute the functions and you can see the output. Okay, 1 is the 1 and 2 is the 2. Now 3 is the 6 and 4 is the 24 and 5 is the 120 and 6 is a 720. So 1 into 1. According to our condition, number should be greater than equal to 1. Then result should be, the first value is the 0. 0 multiplied by 1. Then 1. Now first value is 1 and minus 1. The greater than equal to number is the greater than, yes, because our range is the 7. So it will just move and multiply 24, just like a 2 1 into 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 24 5 ja 120, and 120 into 6 720. This is the factorial program. So are you getting my point, friends? How can we use functions? Now another example is just I show you program for कैलकुलेटर का एक स्मॉल सा प्रोग्राम हम बना देते हैं कि डिफाइन CALC, CALC is the word a comma b we can take. Now this is the output. Our first variable is addition, a plus b. Another is the subtractions, a minus b. Another is a multiply, a multiply b. And another is a divisor. Now a divided by b. So these are the 4 functions we are using. Now return is the add, sub, mul and div. These are the 4 returning value. So this is the multiple return value program. Okay friends. Now what is the result function? So we use the result key variables. Now CALC, calculator function we can call, and we put the value 10, 6. This is the our value. Got it friends? And print command we can use, and the result obtained are, and for loop I n result and print of I. So we try to execute this program and see the output. Okay, our value is 10 and 6. A plus B 16, A minus B 4, A divided by 60, and A mod B 6.1.66. Understand? And we can make a separator modules also according to these functions. How can we I'll just explain how can we separate to each and every alternate module. So I just explain one program to implement calculator module. So how can we def 8 function a comma b and return a plus b. Now another one we just copy paste, and this is the name of subtractions. Formula will be changed. Now another is the copy paste. We just change the name of the functions, and formula will be written change. And another one is the once again we use copy paste, divide, and use to div. So these are the separate module we can use. Now how can we execute? Just execute the program and see the output. How? It is very simple. कैसे करना है वो हमें देखना है. So import calculate. We import calculate module. That means invoking calculate module. If it is file is here, we check the output. Now module name calculate. So friends, we'll have to install calculate.py value. We have to make first we'll have to create the module of calculate. Then we can use this import calculate file. And when we reach to up level of Python, we can make a module. And we can install also. How can we just install the module? I'll show you. Import calculate file is just like a import math.h, import python. उसी तरह import calculate is the file. We'll have to import the files and install through the command preview. Anaconda prompt. We'll have to install file and calculate value. Just I show you, but it will take time because I have to start the net, because net is not there. So I try, wait and watch. Dear friends, my net is not working, so I am unable to import the files, but definitely I'll tell you when we complete the Python basic course. Then I'll tell you how to make a module, just like a NumPy, math and matplotlib. So we'll have to create first import calculate module, and it is a long process, and even in 10 to 15 days it will not calculate. First we'll have to create a package, then create a functions, and create modules, and import the things. Number of process we'll have to create. At least 1 and 2 hour class should be there for import module. So I'll make definitely this type of program, how to make a module, and you can very readable form understand, then it will be help you. So we'll go to the next next program. So quadratic equation we can calculate. Write a program to find roots of a quadratic equations. So first define QDF and A comma B comma C. Now click, then the D is equals to bracket B into B minus 4 into A into C, bracket close. Now star 0.5 and return return minus B plus D divide by 2 star A comma minus B minus D and divide by 2 star A. Then S variable, T variable, QDF function 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2, then print S comma tab separators comma T. Now we try to execute. What will be the output? Invalid syntax. This is the comma. Okay, and okay, this is the quadratic equation. We can solve it through this program. So we can make a quadratic equation formula with function and return the output. So friends, tomorrow we'll study this method, and I'll show parameters and arguments in functions. Definitely I'll tell you how to make modules, don't worry, but it is the concept of higher level. First you have to understand all the concept of Python: functions, parameters, operators, binaries. Then we'll lead to the how can we make a module. Very definitely I'll tell you, just like I show you ki how can we make a module, a simple demonstration. Just go to the my computer, and this is your way. Username is there, C drive, username, user area, and this is the IPython. You can see that code Anaconda and Jupyter. So these are just Matplotlib. These are the modules we can make easily. Conda metadata, menus and package, and you can see that a different type of files is here. Alabaster, Anaconda depends, Anacondas, projects. So these are the Py files. So just we search the calculator. सो फ्रेंड्स, इसके अलावा हमारे पास कैलकुलेशन के लिए एक होता है केट बूस्ट, जो कि हम मशीन लर्निंग में यूज करते हैं। कैलकुलेशन के लिए हमारे पास numpy है, मैथ है और मैटप्लॉटलिब है। इंपोर्ट कैलकुलेटर, ये हमने फंक्शन बनाए हैं। इन फंक्शन से एक इंपोर्ट कैलकुलेट डॉट पाई py नाम की एक फाइल क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी। देन उसके बाद हमें एक मॉड्यूल क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, और उस मॉड्यूल में जैसे कि हमारे पास इंपोर्ट numpy एक मॉड्यूल है, वैसे ही इंपोर्ट कैलकुलेटर हमें एक मॉड्यूल क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा। और वो क्रिएट करने के बाद, वो पैकेज क्रिएट करने के बाद हमको यूजर्स एंड वेयर इज द एनाकोंडा, आइडियली पाइथन चेक पॉइंट्स, कि my log files ipy dot py file we can search in Anaconda, and .py file you can search. It will be available when search process is done. So it's taking time, so definitely I'll tell you everything, and this topic everything I'll tell you, friends. So don't be hesitate ki why I'm not telling. Just wait and watch. I'll definitely tell you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please watch, subscribe, and share my channel, and don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.